Well, hello from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Well, near Kalamazoo, Michigan. I am starting my world tour, book tour, and I'm just going to be spending a few weeks with friends and family here in Michigan. But I got some really exciting news. I am really pleased that there's been a lot of interest in my summer intensive program for Rohini Academy of Astrology, which is promoting safeguarding and child protection in astrology. I'm starting up a new intensive course which starts this Sunday, the 2nd of August at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I know that's short notice, so just let me tell you a few options. Now, if that's too short and you can't make it, just message me and we can arrange something, because we're going to be covering level 1, which is a short 90-minute introduction into safeguarding and child protection. Level 3 starts on the 9th of August. That is a full day, 4 times 90-minute lectures on how to use techniques in astrology to improve your skills with looking at children's charts, not just children's charts, but the parents as well. And as well as the 16th of August, which is a more interactive level. And that's also 4 times 90 minutes, starting at 2 p.m. as well, Eastern Standard Time. So, the other exciting news, sorry, I have to keep looking at my notes, is I'll be in Sydney, Australia on the 12th of September, launching my new book, Bending the Light, and I'm really super excited because it's my 4th book. I was really excited a couple years ago when I released Mirror Mirror, because I could say I was an author of books. Well, now I can really say I'm an author of books. And so it's a companion guide to Zeus on the Loose, which was on Jupiter cycles, and this one, Bending the Light, is on Saturn cycles. This book was a lot of work. It's been about 12 years in the making, a Jupiter cycle in the making, but after a lot of restructuring, a lot of thought, I finally got her done. And so it's going to be really good to finally release it. I'm still working. I might be not teaching school anymore this summer, but I am certainly working. I've been busy with consultations, busy having fun too, swimming in fresh water, going boating, doing lots of different things. And oh yeah, I have Uranus transiting my ascendant, and Facebook bounced me for no good reason, if you ask my opinion. So I've lost that, and that's just made me really more determined to use other social media platforms like YouTube, and I'm really working hard on increasing my content on YouTube with all sorts of goodies coming up. I'm going to be doing new moon and full moon forecasts, as well as sun ingress forecasts. I have been holding on to some Jupiter podcasts, which I need to get sorted out, and I'll be posting those, as well as resurrecting my Mirror Mirror podcast, which looks at famous people and the actors portrayed them with my special guests. So working hard. Oh, and TikTok as well. You might remember somebody hijacked my TikTok account. I got it back, but I don't really use it anyway, but I'm going to start using it. I'm going to start. And also my own personal website, www.alexschnoweth.co.uk. Now, I mentioned I have Uranus on the ascendant, and on my ascendant, that is, and you won't believe what happened to me. Oh yes. Now, with Uranus on my ascendant, I've been coming up with various outrageous stories about what happened to my arm. The latest one had to do with, I also twisted my ankle, but not badly. The latest story involved an emu and kicking its ass with my right foot, which was the one that got sprained. Anyway, I'm recovering, but I'm learning all about the things I can't do with 2 hands. Opening jars, flossing my teeth, buttons, all sorts of indignities are involved with the loss of the use of one arm. But, on the mend, things are getting better. I think that's about all the news I have. I really would appreciate your support on other social media platforms. Please like and subscribe to my videos. I forgot to say this. I'm at over 800 subscribers on YouTube. So I thank you guys very, very much for following me, and I promise to put good content up. And so wherever you are, whatever you're doing, have a good one, and to the stars.